Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So if you're currently deciding between buying the Samsung S10 Plus or the OnePlus 7 Pro, then I'm going to be giving you a feature comparison and the differences between these two phones. Now I'm not going to cover the similarities, the things that are consistent across both of these phones, but I'm going to show you the primary differences that might sway your decision in actually buying one or the other. So let's just get straight into it.
Another cold and rainy night. Without you lying by my side, I can't sleep, already tried, but still I dream away.
Right, starting off with the display, the Samsung S10 Plus comes with a 6.4-inch display, whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro comes in at a slightly larger 6.67 inches. Now the Samsung S10 Plus has dynamic AMOLED with a 60 Hz refresh rate, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has fluid AMOLED with a huge 90 Hz refresh rate. The Samsung S10 Plus does have wireless charging, and it is a fast 15-watt wireless charge, and the OnePlus 7 Pro does not have any wireless charging. In terms of the memory, the Samsung S10 Plus can be expanded up to 1 TB, and there is no expandable memory on the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Samsung S10 Plus battery life is a huge 4100 mAh, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is slightly lower at 4000 mAh. The Samsung S10 Plus also has an official IP68 dust and waterproof rating, and the OnePlus 7 Pro doesn't have any IP rating, although there has been some tests to confirm that the phone is absolutely fine when exposed to water and dust damages. At the bottom of the phone, the Samsung S10 Plus does have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the OnePlus 7 Pro does not come with any headphone jack. Now moving on to the main camera. The Samsung S10 Plus has a 12 megapixel f1.5 to 2.4 aperture lens, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has a huge 48 megapixel f1.6 primary lens. The Samsung S10 Plus has a 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens, which gives you 2x zoom with a focal length of 52mm, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has an 8 megapixel f2.4 78mm focal length but has 3x the zoom. Now the Samsung S10 Plus has 16 megapixel f2.2 with a 12mm focal length and a 123 degree ultra wide field. The OnePlus 7 Pro is also a 16 megapixel camera with also f2.2 aperture and has a focal length of 13mm and a slightly lower 117 degree ultra wide field. In terms of recording, the Samsung S10 Plus can record in ultra wide mode, and the OnePlus 7 Pro cannot record in ultra-wide recording. In addition, the Samsung S10 Plus can record 4K video using the front selfie camera, and there is no 4K recording video on the OnePlus 7 Pro front camera. And last but not least, the price as of the publishing date of this video, the Samsung S10 Plus can be found on Amazon at 765 UK pounds, and the OnePlus 7 Pro for the 8GB 128GB storage model is £649, so slightly over £100 more for the Samsung S10 Plus. Alright guys, so hopefully that was useful for you. So what do you guys think? Which one do you prefer buying? Is it the price that might sway your decision? Is it something else? Maybe something that you like on the S10 Plus? Maybe you want the headphone jack, maybe you need the wireless charging. Whatever the decision may be, hopefully that gave you an idea of which one to purchase. Now I do appreciate your time in watching the video. If you did like it, then do give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram at Trending Reviews. I've got lots more pictures coming up from both of these phones, and I'll do a little bit more comparisons in terms of camera quality and things like that. I do have some other videos coming out for the OnePlus 7 Pro specifically, so keep an eye out for that. So my name's Zuma, thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you at the next one. Take care.